This is an update on the current COVID-19 scams. This one comes directly from the Social Security Administration, and here's a sample of one of the phone scams currently going around.
This is a call from the Social Security Administration. During these difficult times of the coronavirus, we regret to inform you that we have got an order to suspend your socials immediately within 24 hours due to suspicious and fraudulent activities found on your socials. We are contacting you as this case is critical and needs your urgent attention. To get more information about this case, please call immediately on our department number 888-991-2325. I repeat, 888-991-2325.
If you get one of these calls, don't talk to them. Simply hang up the phone. This is definitely a scam. These announcements come directly from the FBI. There are currently quite a few fake emails coming from the CDC. Watch out for emails claiming to be from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention or other organizations claiming to offer information on the virus. Phishing emails. Look out for phishing emails asking you to verify your personal information in order to receive an economic stimulus check from the government. There are also phishing emails claiming to be related to charitable contributions, general financial relief, airline carrier refunds, fake cures and vaccines, and fake testing kits. There are also counterfeit treatments and equipment being offered. Be cautious of anyone selling products that claim to prevent, treat, diagnose, or cure COVID-19. If you're looking for accurate and up-to-date information on COVID-19, the CDC has posted extensive guidance and information that is currently and frequently updated. The best sources for authoritative information on COVID-19 are at the CDC.gov website and on the coronavirus.gov website. You may also consult your primary care physician for guidance. This is a time to stay safe. It is also a time to be on the lookout for scammers.